Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share sample paper for pre-entry test for the admissions to MPhil PhD programs in University of Sindh. I am going to share subject weightage for these programs. So entry test 2024 subjects are: the test paper will consist of 4 parts as follows: section 1 English 20%, section 2 quantitative reasoning 15%, section 3 analytical reasoning 15%, section 4 subject knowledge. If you are going to apply for a MPhil in education or PhD in education, you have to prepare from your subject education. So likewise for other subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, and so on. For university admission, scholarship awareness, entry test preparation, subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp.